Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bagaimana kabarnya anak-anakku semuanya? Saya berharap kalian semuanya senantiasa dalam lindungan Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Kali ini kita akan melanjutkan pelajaran kemarin menggunakan buku paket Inggris Kelas chapter 1 halaman 14 sampai dengan halaman 17. Untuk lebih jelasnya, simak video berikut ini.
Listen to the dialogue carefully. Gooden, I'm sorry I forgot to bring your sports shirt. That's okay, Benny. You can bring it tomorrow. I have another one.
Mrs. Rita, thank you very much for the gift. I like it very much.
Good on you, Lena. I'm happy you like it.
Good morning, Mr. Airy. The class is ready, sir.
Morning, Edo. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Yuli. How are you?
Hi. Good afternoon, Lena. I'm good. Thank you.
Good morning, Mrs. Vina. I'm sorry I'm late.
Morning, Edo. Why are you late?
Good afternoon, Mr. Guna1. I'm sorry I'm late.
Good afternoon. Okay. Don't be late again next time, okay?
How are you, City?
I'm not feeling well, Mom.
How are you feeling?
I have a headache.
I think you need to rest.
I think so too, Mom. Thank you.
Hi, Daewoo. We're going to the canteen for lunch. Are you coming with us?
No. Sorry. I'm waiting for City. I'll see you there.
See you later, Daewoo. Good luck with your English test.
See you later, ma'am.
Thanks.
Gooden, I'm sorry I cannot come to the study group. I feel dizzy. No worry, Benny. Just go home and have a rest.
Go to sleep now. If you want, I can wake you up at 4.
Thanks, Dad. Yes, wake me up at 4. Good night.